Goeiedag. Good day. Dit is juffrou Adina hierso. Vandag gaan ons fokus op voegwoorde en tussenwerpsels. Today we're going to focus on conjunctions and interjections. Let's start with conjunctions. Kom ons begin met voegwoorde. Nou, voegwoorde bind twee sinne bymekaar, soos en, want, maar, of. Soos ek is honger, ek is dors. Ek is honger en dors. Now, conjunctions like and, but, because bind two sentences together. Like, for example, I am hungry, I am thirsty. I am hungry and thirsty. Now, let's talk about interjections. Interjections is words that cannot stand alone. It has no specific meaning and it's more of an expression, usually used in the beginning of a sentence. Like, for example, if I say, Eina, it indicates that person has pain or an accident happened or he got hurt, or shoo, that person is surprised. Shoo, you did a lot of work today. Shoo, jy het baie werk gedoen vandag. Or, ugh, not again. The ugh indicates that the person feels disappointed or maybe mad. Of ag kan ook bedoel dat daai persoon is moedeloos. Now, if you look at our words, first you're going to repeat after me, and the second time you're going to grab a pen and paper and write them down. Are you ready? Okay. En, want, maar, eina, shoo, ag. Now, grab a pen and paper and try to write the words down. Are you ready? Okay. En, want, maar, eina, shoo, ag. Baie dankie. Thank you so much, and feel free to repeat the video as many times as you need. I hope you have a lovely day. Tot ziens.